Good morning, class. May I request everyone to please stand for our prayer to be led us by Mr. Lena. Amen. Please do remain standing for our quick energizer. Alright, are you all energized, class? Okay, before you take your seats, please pick up some pieces of paper if you can see some, and please do arrange your chairs properly. Alright, are you all done, class? Okay, you may now take your seats. Now, who is absent today? None? Since none, I will be giving an extra points for you. Now, in this classroom, I have set a classroom rules. So everybody please read our classroom rules at a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, read. Okay, as we go on with our discussion, I want you to bear this in your mind, okay? Do you understand, class? Alright, so before we dig deeper or before we continue to our next discussion, I have here a activity. Are you excited for our activity? Alright, that's my student. Now I have here a jumbled letters. And I want you to arrange these jumbled letters in which you can have an idea on what will be our topic this morning. Okay, so who wants to volunteer? Yes, Mrs. Rosa? Okay, come here in front. I will be giving you 2 minutes to arrange these jumbled letters. Alright, 2 minutes is done. So based on the activity, what do you think will be our topic this morning? Yes, Mrs. Rosa. Okay, your answer is correct. Our topic this morning is all about digital communication. Okay, everybody, please read our topic this morning. It's all about digital communication. But before that, let us read first our objectives. So at the count of 3, please do read our objectives. So at the end of the lesson, the students should be able to. First, we have identified the 5 key components of digital communication, such as online teaching communication, email etiquette, virtual meetings, social media responsibility, and last but not least, we have their digital citizenship. Second one is we will be able to create and present a role play about the proper digital communication practices in online learning and social media. And last, value the importance of being responsible and respectful digital citizenship. Now, are you all ready to learn? Yes, that's my student. Now, when you hear the word digital communication, what comes to your mind, Deacon? Okay, your answer is correct. So when we say digital communication, it means the exchange of messages through virtual or through online. So imagine, okay, here, I have a question for all of you class. Who here has sent a message and immediately regret it? See, that's because communication in the digital world is very powerful. One click may hurt us or help us. So today we will gonna discuss or we will gonna know how to communicate responsibly online. So digital communication is composed of 5 key components. First is we have here, number 1, online teaching communication. So, online teaching communication. Can you please give an idea, Katubis? Alright, okay, you have your point. How about you, Guya? Okay, so online teaching communication. So, imagine, you are attending an online class. Then the teacher is discussing, but you are playing Mobile Legend. Then the teacher asks you, okay, what's the answer? So, oops, awkward, right? So when we say online teaching communication, it means that you are respecting or you are using your phone while someone is discussing, and also you are listening to the online classes. So do you understand what is online teaching communication? Alright, now then let's move on to the next component. We have email etiquette. So I have here, class, two examples. First is bad example. For example, hi, send grades. And next one we have the good example. So hi, good day. I hope you are doing well. So I would like to ask about my grades. Thank you very much. So which do you think sounds more respectful? Yeah, the second one. So always remember that when we say email etiquette, it means that you are writing a professional message, and also with a proper greeting and polite closing. So do you understand what is email etiquette? Since you understand, let's move on to the third one. We have virtual meetings. So when we say virtual meetings, for example, imagine you're wearing a formal polo, but you're still wearing your pajamas. So it means that virtual meetings, you should unmute your phones if you're not speaking on the virtual meetings. Alright? So now let's move on to the number 4. We have social media responsibility. So in this generation, it's very common about social media responsibility. Why? Why do you think so, Dagunan? Yes, because in this generation, we are very active to social media. So before posting online, ask these 3 questions. Is it true? Is it necessary? Or is it fake? So if your answer are no, so better not to post it. Always remember, if you post it online, it will never gonna erase. So always remember that click before you think. Okay, do you understand what is social media responsibility? Now, let's move on to the last key components. We have digital citizenship. Okay, please give an idea. Marcosa. Okay, when you say digital citizenship, okay, your answer is correct. Digital citizenship, it means you are digital or citizen in real life. So for example, you respect the personal information or the privacy of your friend online. So that means you are digital citizens enough to understand the situation of others. Now, do you understand the 5 key components, class? Okay, if you understand, okay, enumerate the 5 key components. Meljon. Alright, we have number 1, online teaching communication, yeah. Number 2, email etiquette. Number 3, virtual meetings. Number 4, social media responsibility. And last but not the least, we have digital citizenship. Now, do you have any question regarding for what I have discussed? Okay, do you have any question, class? None? Since none, we will have a group activity. So, I will divide you into 3 groups. Okay, start counting from you, Akab. Alright, so group 1, you may sit here. And group 2, you may now sit here. And group 3 at the back. Okay, at the count of 5, you go to your respective groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now, let us all read the activity. Okay, everybody, please read the instruction. Okay, create and present a role play about the proper digital communication practices in online learning and social media. So we have here the criteria. Creativity and originality, 20 points. Performance level, 10 points. Mastery, 20 points. Audience impact, 10 points. A total of 60 points. So I will be giving you 3 minutes to prepare and a 2 minutes 1, you may now perform your role play in front. Wow, what a nice performance, class. Let us give the group 1 an amazing clap. Do you know how to perform amazing clap? Okay, just clap your hands 3 times, stamp your feet, and say, amazing. Okay, let's do it all together at a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Now, let's move on to the group 2. Okay, you may now perform group 2. The floor is yours. Wow, very good also. Group 2, let us give them a very good clap. Do you know how to perform very good clap? Okay, now perform it to your classmates, so they will have an idea how to perform very good clap. Alright, so let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Now, for the last group, group 3, you may now perform your role play. Amazing, group 3. Last but not the least, group 3. You did great job. Let's give a Ibong Adarna clap to the group 3 at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ibong Adarna. Alright, you may now take your seats. Okay, now for your scores, group 1 got 60 over 60. Okay, let's clap our hands together. For the group 2, you got also 60 over 60. And as well for the group 3. So all of you class, great, got a perfect score. So let's clap ourselves together. Okay, so I appreciate your effort. That's why I have given you a perfect score, because you perfectly demonstrate all the criteria. You have mastery, you have the audience impact, performance level, and also the creativity. That's why all of you got perfect scores. Now, do you have any questions regarding with the lessons that I have discussed? How about you, Deacon? Since none, I will be the one who will ask questions. Okay, get ready with yourself, because I will be asking you a questions. Okay, so I have here a box, and this box, inside of this, contains 3 questions. So are you all ready? Okay, I want you to answer Mrs. Kadosali. Okay, first question. Okay, let me just read it loudly, okay, and then answer it. First question. Enumerate the 5 key components of digital communication. Okay, again, enumerate the 5 key components of digital communication. Alright, very good. You are listening to our discussion. Next question. I want you to answer Palomar. Okay, please stand up. Your question is, how will you give value to the importance of being a responsible and respectful digital citizenship? Okay, let me repeat it. How will you give value to the importance of being a responsible and respectful digital citizenship? Okay? Alright, amazing answer, Palomar. Last but not the least, I want you to answer Katubis. Okay. In simplest form, Katubis, what is your understanding about digital communication? Okay, let me repeat the question. In simplest form, what is your understanding about digital communication? Alright, very good, Katubis. Now, let's clap our hands together. Alright, now do you have any questions regarding with our discussion this morning? Do you have any clarifications? Since none, we will have a short exam. So I will just gonna provide a sheets for you. Okay. Okay, forward it to the back. So you will only have 5 minutes to answer the short exam. Okay, timer starts now. Okay, please do read the instructions on your paper, okay? Okay, you have there, you will gonna encircle the correct answers. Correct letter. Okay, time's up. Pass your papers forward at a count of 5. So since there is no time, okay, we only have 5 minutes left, so I will be the one who will check the exam and I will return it afterwards. Okay, class? Okay, now I have an assignment prepared for you. Okay. Please listen carefully for our assignment because I will gonna dictate it twice. Okay. Are you listening now? Okay, for your assignment, let me read it. For your assignment, write an essay about the importance of being a responsible and respectful digital citizenship. So your essay must be composed of 250 words or more. So it should be digitally produced on a short bond paper. So thank you and happy learning. Note that I will gonna send the criteria for this essay to our GC. So we have group chat, right? So I will gonna send the criteria in our group chat. And for more questions, you can ask me there. Okay, do you understand? Do you have any questions regarding with the lesson that we discussed this morning? Since none, goodbye everyone and see you next meeting. Okay, the deadline will be on next meeting. Okay, goodbye everyone and thank you so much.